With it on. Any cow with it on. I know. Yeah, bull cow that. But be what I mean. What you do?
Take the red out of it. They don't love, they don't like red.
What make me take off the red out?
They don't like red.
One not like red.
The cow, they don't like red.
But you hear that people? CeCe every take off.
You don't go on like so no. Because when time cow see red, they will run on the dung and then something there, no?
Hey, see me in the red here. Mo.
What's up, guys?
Don't know, say your boy Nathan.
And a girl, CeCe.
Yeah, guys.
And we are hungry, guys, so
Yeah.
we're gonna get 2 bags food.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna buy 2 food, guys. That's me, so.
Yes, guys.
We have a long way for walk.
What far?
Good local distances, way up there, so.
We are push back.
Round the corner. Yeah, guys, so. We just say, oh, we're gonna vlog it, you see me? Just to make a little vlog for now, you see me, guys? Yeah, just like, share, comment, and
subscribe, guys. And
yeah.
before y'all get into this video, please remember to go over to Nathan Music channel.
Yeah, guys,
like, share,
Prodigy
comment,
Music. The name is Prodigy Music, guys.
And guys, we are about to make our second channel, the CeCe Family. So guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're not going to really jump the video over the now. We're going to show you one nice at the time we start the video.
Yeah, guys,
Stay tuned to that.
don't walk on the road your way.
Camera.
Yeah. Yeah, guys.
So guys, we just stay tuned to that.
Yeah.
And you don't know what's about to happen over there.
Yeah, guys.
So,
yeah, madness.
Same as this one. But we are going to post. Some of our prank them over there. We're not going to post all of them.
Some of them, man. Mostly vlogs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Life updates and them something like guys. You see me? Yeah.
So Nathan is a good distance walk, guys.
Just walk, we get 2 food, guys. So we can't bother cook nothing right now. Tired. Mama chef CeCe over there, so.
Chef.
Where's can't bother? Yeah, guys, see.
So guys,
yeah, look on the plate. Big old cow over there, so. What do I say about cows and moon? Cows and moon be?
sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. Mostly cow, most cow.
And them one there, the bull one there.
Yeah, with the on.
So
Any cow with the on. I know. Yeah, bull cow that. But be what I mean. What you do?
Take the red out of it. They don't love, they don't like red.
What make me take off the red out?
They don't like red.
One not like red.
The cow, they don't like red.
But you hear that people? CeCe every
Guys,
take off.
you don't go on like so no. Because when time cow see red, they will run on the dung and then something there, no?
Hey, see me in the red here. Mo.
Me a shot the face, that's all I know.
Shut the food, you can't do this.
For pissing me.
But you know you can't.
I'm not business, just want to some took off for
When I took off before, I still come past it, babe.
I know you're not going to pass because the speed when I took off with too hard. You think I used it.
Speed of life.
Yes.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, biker, yeah. So, guys, I want you to go. If you don't check out the prank we did yesterday, guys, I want you to check it out, guys, because it have a buzz, you see me? How you feel about that one day? It makes you cry, guys. And CeCe have a prank too. So go on.
His wee is too small.
Yeah.
And it's actually small for like real, so.
Small for like perfect breed. Man, they make the people and think that, yeah? Yeah. And yeah guys, we love how you support us guys, you see me? We don't know how to thank you know, but we just go and do the work, you see me people? Put in the work, them right around the corner right down there. So we did go buy the food.
Yeah, you go buy food?
With Eddie.
Down there, sir?
Right, there is about down there, so. Where we go buy food? Now right around there, sir?
Nothing good, and so far.
It's not far, see, it's not so far, man. Not make it look like it's so far. Yeah, guys, at that side, I light in the beat. Look. See? Some sexy body, right?
Sexy body what? Come on, I don't people. Woo!
CeCe don't know what is Marga, you know, guys.
You know mean like Marga. Like Miga. Y'all know that your girl putting on weight. Some of y'all think that I'm even pregnant because my face is getting fat.
She's pregnant, guys.
Pregnant weird.
She's pregnant.
Guys, I'm putting on some weight.
Yeah.
Sorry, do that girl.
So guys, we're gonna pause the video for you a little bit. When we reach nearer to the place, yeah, we'll stop back, you see me? So just stay tuned guys, you see me? Make sure you like the video. I really like CeCe. Watch out. Stay tuned guys. Yeah, come out the road. Yeah guys, so we'll be we reach nearer to the place you know.
Actually reach.
Yeah, just call it so we reach. So yeah, go on like you don't know away.
That's right, me just pick up the right one. But it's far, see I'm waiting.
Guys, the road is very busy guys. Very busy and the road you not even have a look a good space for walk. That's it. Road busy people. So yeah, go over there. Yeah. May I turn on the camera so you can see. Look who we meet. And the way as if we go over go buy food.
We
buck up on King and Shay, the greatest guys. So yeah, we're gonna link them up and see what go on. I'll go on. Yeah, carry on that time. It's your boy King in our shop there. Reverse, watch your road. Yeah guys, so we cross the road and thing you know. Oh yeah, first me I see that vehicle, I like it. I like it. It look ugly but it look dear. I like it. And first me I see one vehicle like that. So guys, we go cross the road. We get the food them. CeCe look up and down, you know, not up in the sky and down for your foot. Up and down, B. Come. The man have not indicator, you know. Not watch the road. The man don't have no indicator like you want to kill me off, guys. Oh. Ants. How may I walk and answer by same time? What is the answer, man? Beautiful CeCe, guys. Such a beauty. Yeah, one bag of people. Come on, one bag of people over there, guys. We just have to make it harder to come fast and try to get through. All the camera and go harder.
Yeah?
Don't stop it.
No, stop it. No, so I'm mad.
Yeah, guys.
So, we reach the place, guys, and Nathan I'm gonna make him order.
Oh. Yeah, guys, so them not enough food, guys, you see me? Them not enough food, so I have to buy jerk chicken, you see me? Road busy, guys, you see me? CeCe see them way down the road down there, so me alone that one. Go on easy. We buy jerk pork we buy. Jerk pork, not jerk chicken, eh? Cause no food and them have food but a white rice and me no want no white rice guys. No buy no white rice for nowadays. I must rice and peas, you see it people? Yeah. Boy, me I tell you about the road star. Tell you about the road guys. So this you know I don't know much, just have make a little vlog phone, you see me? Yeah guys, I want you to know say yo, I appreciate you see it. Everybody. I love everybody. Yeah guys. I want all of the show supported them. Big up themselves. You see it. Team Nathan supported them. Big up on yourself. Team CeCe supporter. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Everybody. You see me? Watch out. We don't listen she gone, you know. See her there? A walk left me. Yeah guys, so almost reach. Hey guys, and remember safe to go over to my music channel guys, music page. Yeah, me have a preview over there so you can go check it out. Link in the description, you see me? Yeah. Check it out and leave a comment and a like. You see me? You can make me know what you think about this song. Let me know if it's ready or what. Or if it's not ready. You see me guys? Just I want your opinion. If you drop it. Or what. Yeah. See how she operate guys. Walk with for a man. At least you see me. And there guys just yeah guys, I'm gonna just end the video, you see me.